Z Hurricane Report Equipment here in Castleton, Virginia. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Seems to be my forte. Working on a 22 or 23 Takahuchi TL12R with a Fecon head on it. Here to do a 500 RPM service on it and inspection. But I figured I'd make the video to show you more proof that we come to you regardless of where the machine's at. It's very, very interesting getting to this machine down the road. It's one-lane road. Kind of reminds me of West Virginia. And I had to get the truck up this little kind of steep grade here, and it almost got stuck trying to get it up here, but I made it work. Again, this is Z Hurricane Report Equipment. Have any questions, concerns, feel free to reach out.